Can't read it though. Oh, I see it. Never mind.
Who's it for?
Me.
Yeah.
Oh god. My only love. I'm guessing that's Dad's.
Oh, thanks.
Dad, come on, come here.
What? That's not mine.
Oh, it's Mom's now.
That for me? Okay, do you
guess
want to
so.
put it on the floor?
Sure.
Thanks, hon. That's so cool.
What? I think these are mine. Can't really tell.
What is this? Do you want to just put it on the sides there?
Oh my god. It's like a speaker thing for your iPod.
Oh, it's a carry case for your makeup.
Oh my god. I use my headphones on it. Oh my god, it's like a
You want
radio.
dumpling, Joe?
Yeah, later.
What?
Oh, that was hot.
Oh my god.
Ah.
I can't carry this to school.
Let's have a look.
Oh my god, that's awesome. Oh my iPhone.
Oh, nice.